Prefer control over your updates on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to block or cancel updates. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient way to manage your system preferences. Click on Start and select Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Pause for 1 week. Go to Start and click on Settings. Head over to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Switch the toggle off for the Download Updates over Metered Connections option. Once again, click on Start and select the Settings option. This time, go to Network and Internet. Click on the network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet of your PC. Switch on the Metered Connection toggle. Go to Search, look for gpedit.msc, and click on the Group Policy Editor once it is displayed in the search results. On the left pane, under Local Computer Policy, click on Computer Configuration. Double-click on Administrative Templates. Select the Windows Components option. Locate Windows Update and open it. Now select Manage End User Experience. Double-click on the Configure Automatic Updates option. Select the disabled option to turn off automatic updates on your Windows 11 PC. Click on Apply and OK to save the settings. Use the Windows +R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc in the text field and hit Enter. Locate Windows Update and double-click it to open the Properties tab. Under the General tab, select Disabled from the drop-down menu from Startup Type. Click on OK and apply to save the settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.